Top 40 cGMP interview questions and answers. Basic cGMP concepts. Question 1. What is quality assurance?
Response.
Quality assurance, QA, is the systematic process of ensuring product quality by monitoring each stage of production. It covers all activities and decisions related to maintaining quality, from material sourcing to final product release. QA sets standards and procedures to ensure safety, effectiveness, and consistency. By implementing QA, companies prevent issues rather than reacting to them. This approach helps meet regulatory requirements and customer expectations. Question 2. What are in-process checks?
Response.
In-process checks are tests or inspections performed during manufacturing. They ensure that each stage of production meets quality standards before moving on to the next step. For example, checking tablet weight or solution concentration ensures consistency. These checks help identify potential issues early in production. In-process checks maintain product quality throughout manufacturing. Question 3. What is documentation in cGMP?
Response.
Documentation includes all records that describe procedures, actions, and results. It ensures traceability by detailing each step in manufacturing, from raw materials to final product testing. Proper documentation provides evidence of quality and compliance with cGMP regulations. It includes standard operating procedures, SOPs, batch records, and test results. This system ensures transparency, accountability, and control in production. Question 4. What is a change control?
Response.
Change control is a process for managing and documenting modifications in manufacturing or procedures. It ensures that all changes are evaluated for potential impacts on product quality. Each change must be approved and justified before being implemented. This system helps maintain consistency and reliability in production. It also provides a documented history of all changes, helping in audits and inspections. Question 5. What is an SOP?
Response.
An SOP, standard operating procedure, is a detailed guide for performing a task or activity. It provides step-by-step instructions to ensure consistency, efficiency, and quality. SOPs are essential for maintaining standard practices, especially in regulated industries like pharmaceuticals. They help train employees and reduce errors in critical processes. By following SOPs, companies ensure compliance with cGMP standards. Section 2. Intermediate cGMP and Quality Control. Question 6. What is a batch manufacturing record, BMR?
Response.
A BMR is a document that records every detail of a batch production. It includes information such as raw materials used, quantities, equipment settings, and results from in-process checks. The BMR serves as proof that each batch was produced following cGMP guidelines. It helps in investigating any issues that arise with a specific batch. BMRs provide traceability and ensure consistency across production. Question 7. What is the difference between BMR and BPR?
Response.
A BMR, batch manufacturing record, is for manufacturing, while a BPR, batch packaging record, is for packaging. BMR includes details of materials, processes, and testing during manufacturing. BPR focuses on packaging specifications, labeling, and storage conditions. Both documents ensure that manufacturing and packaging comply with quality standards. Together, they provide a complete record of each product batch. Question 8. What is validation in cGMP?
Response.
Validation is the process of confirming that equipment, processes, and methods work as intended and produce consistent, high-quality results. It provides documented evidence that a process or system achieves desired outcomes under controlled conditions. Validation includes testing, reviewing, and documenting each step. This ensures that products meet quality, safety, and regulatory standards. Validation helps companies maintain consistent and reliable manufacturing processes. Question 9. Why is calibration important?
Response.
Calibration ensures that instruments used in production are accurate and reliable. It adjusts and verifies the performance of instruments to meet specified standards. Regular calibration reduces measurement errors and ensures product quality and consistency. For example, scales and thermometers are calibrated to ensure correct measurements. Proper calibration is essential for maintaining cGMP compliance. Question 10. What is 21 CFR Part 11?
Response.
21 CFR Part 11 is a set of FDA regulations for managing electronic records and electronic signatures. It ensures that electronic documents are accurate, secure, and accessible when needed. This regulation applies to systems that store critical manufacturing, testing, or quality records. It ensures data integrity by setting standards for access control, audits, and electronic signatures. Compliance with 21 CFR Part 11 is mandatory for cGMP. Section 3 Advanced cGMP Processes. Question 11. What is positive pressure and why is it used?
Response.
Positive pressure is a condition where the air pressure inside a room is higher than outside. It is used to prevent contamination by ensuring that only clean air flows out, not in. Positive pressure is especially important in areas where sterile products are handled. By maintaining higher pressure, the risk of contamination from adjacent areas is minimized. This technique helps in controlling the production environment. Question 12. What is a deviation in cGMP?
Response.
A deviation is any unexpected event that happens during manufacturing, testing, or storage and could affect product quality. It includes issues like equipment malfunction, incorrect measurements, or out-of-specification results. Deviation reports document these incidents, including investigations and corrective actions. Managing deviations helps identify and fix root causes to prevent future issues. Proper deviation management maintains product quality and regulatory compliance. Question 13. What is process validation?
Response.
Process validation confirms that a production process consistently produces products of required quality. It involves detailed testing, data collection, and analysis across different production stages. Process validation is divided into 3 stages: process design, process qualification, and continued process verification. Each stage demonstrates that the process remains in control under regular conditions. This ensures product quality and regulatory compliance. Question 14. What is a Validation Master Plan (VMP)?
Response.
A VMP is a comprehensive document that outlines all validation activities for facilities, systems, and equipment. It details the scope, purpose, and schedule of validation activities and identifies resources and responsibilities. The VMP guides the validation team and helps ensure that all processes meet quality standards. It is a critical document for audits and inspections. A well-prepared VMP ensures organized and efficient validation processes. Question 15. What is a market complaint?
Response.
A market complaint is a reported issue from customers regarding a product's quality, safety, or efficacy. Common issues include defective packaging, incorrect labeling, or substandard product performance. All complaints must be recorded, investigated, and resolved promptly. Market complaints help companies identify and correct product issues to improve quality. Regulatory authorities may inspect complaint records to ensure companies address quality issues properly. Question 16. What is a product recall?
Response.
A product recall is the process of retrieving defective or potentially harmful products from the market. Recalls may happen due to quality issues, safety concerns, labeling errors, or contamination risks. Companies follow a structured procedure to inform distributors, retailers, and customers. A recall is a critical step in protecting public health and maintaining company credibility. It also helps prevent legal consequences from defective products. Question 17. What is vendor qualification?
Response.
Vendor qualification is the process of assessing and verifying that a supplier meets cGMP standards. It ensures that the raw materials or components provided by the vendor are safe, consistent, and meet quality requirements. Companies often conduct audits, review documentation, and assess quality systems. Qualified vendors help maintain consistent product quality and reduce risks of contamination or errors. Vendor qualification is essential for reliable supply chain management. Question 18. What is cleaning validation? Response. Cleaning validation ensures that equipment is cleaned effectively, reducing the risk of cross-contamination between products. It provides documented evidence that a cleaning process consistently removes residues, preventing contamination in subsequent batches. Cleaning validation includes testing for contaminants like product residues, microbial contamination, and cleaning agent residues. This validation is critical for maintaining product quality and cGMP compliance. Effective cleaning validation protects patient safety. Question 19. What is an annual product quality review, APQR?
Response.
An APQR is a yearly review of product data to assess quality and consistency over time. It includes information on raw material quality, deviations, complaints, and stability data. By reviewing this information, companies identify trends, improve processes, and make quality improvements. The APQR also ensures compliance with regulatory standards by addressing potential quality risks. This review is essential for maintaining consistent product quality. Question 20. What are critical quality attributes? CQAs?
Response.
CQAs are the physical, chemical, biological, or microbiological characteristics that directly impact product quality. Examples include drug potency, purity, stability, and disintegration time for tablets. CQAs are identified during product development and are monitored throughout manufacturing. Managing CQAs ensures that products meet desired quality standards and regulatory requirements. CQAs are central to quality risk management and process validation. Section 4 Expert cGMP Topics. Question 21. What is out-of-specification OS?
Response.
An OS result occurs when a test result does not meet predefined acceptance criteria. It requires investigation to determine if it was due to lab error, equipment malfunction, or production issues. Documenting and investigating OS helps identify and address quality risks. Regulatory guidelines mandate reporting and documenting OS results. Correcting OS results is critical to maintaining quality standards. Question 22. What is Quality Risk Management, QRM?
Response.
QRM is a systematic approach to identifying, assessing, and controlling quality risks. It involves tools like failure mode effects analysis, FMEA, and hazard analysis and critical control points, HACCP. QRM helps prioritize and mitigate risks that could impact product safety or efficacy. By managing quality risks, companies maintain cGMP compliance and reduce potential issues in production. Effective QRM improves product reliability and patient safety. Question 23. What is root cause analysis?
Response.
Root cause analysis investigates the underlying cause of an issue or deviation. The goal is to identify why a problem occurred to prevent recurrence. Techniques include 5 whys and fishbone diagrams to systematically explore possible causes. Documenting root causes and corrective actions ensures transparency and continuous improvement. Effective root cause analysis helps maintain consistent quality and prevent future issues. Question 24. What is an analytical method validation?
Response.
Analytical method validation proves that a testing method provides reliable and accurate results. It includes validating parameters like specificity, precision, accuracy, and sensitivity. This process ensures that test methods produce consistent, repeatable results under different conditions. Method validation is essential for testing product quality attributes, ensuring regulatory compliance. It confirms that analytical methods are suitable for their intended purpose. Question 25. What is analytical method validation?
Response.
Analytical method validation is the process of proving that a testing method is reliable, accurate, and reproducible. It includes evaluating precision, accuracy, specificity, and linearity of the method. Validated methods ensure that test results are trustworthy for making quality decisions. This is essential for tests used to evaluate raw materials, intermediates, and final products. Proper validation prevents misinterpretation of test results and supports regulatory compliance. Section 5 Advanced cGMP and Regulatory Compliance. Question 26. What is a Quality Management System, QMS?
Response.
A QMS is an organizational framework that defines and manages all quality-related processes and responsibilities. It includes policies, procedures, and documentation to ensure product quality and regulatory compliance. QMS covers areas like training, deviation management, change control, and audits. A strong QMS supports consistent, high-quality production and continuous improvement. It helps companies meet cGMP standards and maintain regulatory approvals. Question 27. What is cross-contamination and how is it prevented?
Response.
Cross-contamination occurs when foreign substances, such as other products or chemicals, unintentionally enter a product batch. It can compromise product safety and quality, posing serious risks to patients. Preventing cross-contamination involves measures like dedicated equipment, proper cleaning, controlled air pressure, and gowning requirements. Staff training and adherence to SOPs are also essential. Preventing cross-contamination is critical to meeting cGMP and safety standards. Question 28. What is good documentation practice? GDP? Response. GDP refers to a set of principles for managing documents to ensure accuracy, consistency, and traceability. It includes rules for document creation, modification, review, and storage. GDP requires that records be complete, legible, dated, and signed by authorized personnel. It is a fundamental part of cGMP, as it helps maintain clear and auditable records of all activities. Adhering to GDP minimizes errors and enhances regulatory compliance. Question 29. What is a critical control point, CCP, in manufacturing?
Response.
A CCP is a specific step in the manufacturing process where control is essential to prevent or eliminate quality risks. Identifying CCPs allows for focused monitoring and ensures that key aspects of the product are within specification. For example, sterilization steps in aseptic processing are often CCPs. Controlling CCPs is critical for maintaining product safety, efficacy, and consistency. Monitoring CCPs helps maintain compliance with cGMP standards. Question 30. What is a clean hold time in cleaning validation? Response. Clean hold time refers to the allowable time that cleaned equipment can remain unused before it needs recleaning. This time limit ensures that equipment does not become contaminated due to environmental exposure. Clean hold times are determined through studies and verified during cleaning validation. Adhering to this limit maintains the quality and safety of the next production batch. It's essential for maintaining compliance and avoiding contamination risks. Question 31. What is continuous process verification?
Response.
Continuous process verification is the ongoing assurance that a manufacturing process remains in a state of control during routine production. It involves real-time monitoring of critical quality attributes and process parameters. This approach reduces reliance on end product testing and ensures that quality is built into the process. Continuous verification is particularly useful for complex or high-risk processes. It helps in early detection of issues and continuous quality improvement.
Response.
Continuous process verification. Question 32. What is good automated manufacturing practice? GMP?
Response.
GMP is a set of guidelines for designing, implementing, and validating automated systems used in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It provides a risk-based approach to ensure that automated systems consistently meet cGMP standards. GMP guidelines help companies maintain control over software, equipment, and processes to ensure data integrity. GMP principles are applied in areas like computerized system validation and electronic record management. Following GMP reduces the risk of errors and ensures reliable automated processes. Question 33. What is a risk assessment in quality management?
Response.
Risk assessment is the process of identifying, evaluating, and prioritizing potential risks to product quality. It involves analyzing the likelihood and impact of quality issues and implementing measures to reduce risks. Tools like FMEA, HACCP, and root cause analysis are commonly used in risk assessment. Effective risk assessment helps companies proactively address issues and prevent quality failures. It is a core part of quality risk management under cGMP. Question 34. What is a process analytical technology? PAT?
Response.
PAT is a regulatory framework that promotes the use of real-time data to understand and control manufacturing processes. By using analytical tools and sensors, PAT enables manufacturers to monitor critical quality attributes during production. This approach allows for continuous adjustment and control of processes, ensuring consistent product quality. PAT helps reduce batch failures and improve efficiency. Implementing PAT supports a more dynamic, science-based manufacturing approach. Question 35. What is a Certificate of Analysis, COA?
Response.
A COA is a document that certifies the quality and specifications of a raw material or finished product. It lists test results for key attributes such as purity, potency, and microbial limits. Suppliers provide COAs for each batch of material, allowing manufacturers to verify quality before use. COAs are essential for traceability and ensuring that materials meet quality requirements. They are important in audits and regulatory inspections. Question 36. What is an out-of-trend OOT result?
Response.
An OOT result occurs when a test value deviates from expected historical trends but remains within the specification limits. OOT investigations help identify potential quality shifts that may not immediately impact compliance. This proactive approach can reveal early signs of process variation or instability. Investigating OOT results helps companies address potential issues before they become critical. Managing OOT results supports continuous process improvement and cGMP compliance. Question 37. What is the difference between retesting and resampling?
Response.
Retesting involves conducting another test on an existing sample to confirm results, often after an out-of-specification OLS finding. Resampling, however, involves collecting a new sample to reevaluate a batch's quality. Retesting addresses issues that may have resulted from lab errors, while resampling addresses potential issues in the batch itself. Each action has specific guidelines, and both are used to maintain product quality and regulatory compliance. Proper documentation of both processes is essential for audits. Question 38. What is the purpose of a stability study?
Response.
Stability studies evaluate how a drug product maintains its quality over time under various environmental conditions. These studies determine the product's shelf life, storage conditions, and expiration date. Data from stability studies helps in labeling and packaging design to ensure product quality during distribution. Stability testing includes testing for potency, purity, and physical changes over time. This process is vital for ensuring patient safety and regulatory approval. Question 39. What is the importance of environmental monitoring in cGMP?
Response.
Environmental monitoring checks for microbial and particulate contamination in the manufacturing environment. It ensures that areas like cleanrooms meet air quality and cleanliness standards. Monitoring helps maintain controlled conditions to prevent contamination of sterile products. Results are documented and reviewed regularly to detect any trends or potential risks. Effective environmental monitoring is essential for cGMP compliance and patient safety. Question 40. What is the purpose of quality audits?
Response.
Quality audits are systematic evaluations of an organization's processes, systems, and documents to ensure compliance with cGMP and quality standards. Internal audits are conducted by the company to find and correct potential issues, while external audits by regulatory bodies assess compliance. Audits help identify gaps, improve practices, and verify that quality systems are functioning as intended. They provide assurance that products are consistently produced to quality standards. Regular audits are essential for maintaining cGMP compliance and continuous improvement. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you feel more confident about tackling common cGMP interview questions and learning essential concepts in pharmaceutical quality assurance. At PharmaTalks, we're committed to bringing you high-quality content on the pharmaceutical industry, including insights on regulations, industry best practices, and career tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the PharmaTalks YouTube channel to stay updated with more videos like this one. By subscribing, you'll join a community of professionals and students who are passionate about learning and advancing in the pharmaceutical field. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload from us. Thank you once again, and we look forward to helping you on your journey in the pharma industry. Stay tuned for more from PharmaTalks.